Hey Snapchatters, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to add a personal touch to your Snapchat experience, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to customize the best friends emoji on Snapchat. So let's snap into it. First things first, make sure your Snapchat app is updated to the latest version. This way we ensure we have all the latest features Snapchat has to offer. Step 1. Open your Snapchat app and go to your profile by tapping on your Bitmoji or profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now tap on the gear icon which represents settings. Scroll down until you find Customize Emojis. Now tap on it. Here you can customize all sorts of emojis for different interactions on Snapchat. Change the best friend emojis, simply tap on best friends. You'll see a list of emojis to choose from. Pick your favorite emoji that you'd like to represent your best friends on. After selecting, tap back and your changes will be automatically saved. And that's it. You've successfully customized your best friend's emoji on Snapchat. Experiment with different emojis and make your Snapchat experience uniquely yours.